don't wanna come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long, but what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. I'm gonna give this just one try. Or what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say? I'm thinking maybe I'll take you out so we can get a little closer now. Should I just let this slide? Yeah, what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? What if I told you you took my breath away?
You got me exclusive.
才可以离开，真的要去赶羊哦。来，请问一下林贵姓，他只能使用他的眼神。现在葛兰先生呢，已经慢慢的将我们的羊群呢往下面推下来了。其实所有牧羊犬在工作的时候，大家都可以发现到，不管是我们的萨福克那种各挑个2只哦，在这里面哦，这个工作在国外经过抓捕，2只手同时操作这里。
Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride till we crossing the line. We some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secret show. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom, bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride till we crossing the line like a champion. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom, 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 bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own